Barda update. Ito yung dressing room nila Barbie at David kasama ang Team Barda for endorsement shoot. Ito sa post ni Miss Tony Aviles. Sabi niya, day 3 ng print commercial shoot kasama ang Barda. Saka ito pa yung IG story ni Barbie. Tam na tam si Barbie sa ice cream ng McDo. McFlurry. Mukhang McDo yata endorsement shoot ng Barda. Nabangan na lang. Ice cream. Tapos ito pa yung may nagpa-picture pa nga kay David dyan sa airport. Spotted siya dyan kasama ang kanyang team. Sabi ni Sir Nathan, thanks God, stayed from today endorsement shoot to airport umabot.
Pagod ka lang, mukha akong pera.
Kulit ni Sir Nathan And dumating na nga sila David dyan sa Bohol kasama ang kanyang team after ng endorsement shoot nila ni Barbie. Ano kaya ganap ni David dyan sa Bohol?
Hi to Team Spartans Elite. They stayed in the couch by saying hi. God bless you. And Coach JDC.
Interview
Hi
kay
everyone,
Barbie.
I'm Margie Corteza and I will be answering your questions. I think ang pinaka-challenging na ginawa ko dito is the subtle nuances, yung mga emotional units na kailangan kong ma-pull off. Kasi coming back to filmmaking, mahirap siya eh. Kasi galing ako sa TV acting na medyo malaki, mas animated, ganyan, mas straightforward yung acting. Dito sa pelikulang ito, especially in this type of genre, lahat talaga sa nuance. And I'm just really grateful kasi ginabayan talaga ako ni Direk Derek Cabrilo all throughout the film. I think it goes hand in hand. Just be happy. Be genuinely happy.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.